Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is full of laundry motivation as well as everyday cleaning, so do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave this video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. Wanted to please my friends, but it felt like the end on myself. I was shut down. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to get done today was the insane amount of ironing that needed doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some of this washing away and then get to the ironing, because ironing takes me so long. I really just wanted to get it out the way first thing in the morning. Being true, but they don't have a clue, 'cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppress to fit in a small frame. But I won't play your game anymore, so I had to change. Yeah, I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turn on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am, this is who I am now. No matter what they saying, this is who I am, this is who I am now. I'm gonna let them talk, but I ain't following nobody else. How can I be resentful when I finally respect myself? I shook off all the bad vibes, cut me loose from the pettiness they turn on me. But now I am perfectly free to be me. This is who I am, this is who I am now. No matter what they're saying, this is who I am, this is who I am now. Oh, baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises. So whilst I'm tackling through this little lot, I just wanted to quickly pop on and encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, because it really helps more people see this video when you do that, and it just helps me motivate more people here on YouTube. And if you'd like to follow me on more of a daily basis and see what I'm up to when I'm not here on YouTube, then do go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down in the description box below, but I would love for you to follow over there, and I do show a lot more home decor inspo over on my Instagram grid, as well as behind the scenes of my life over on my Insta stories. So if you do want to be part of that, the link is down in the description box. Look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry, it's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Oh baby, I don't know what to say. Every beginning's So once that was done, I just wanted to go ahead and make my bed. I know if I went downstairs first, I'd probably forget to come back up and do it. So I'm just going to get that done, and then we can head downstairs and sort out the kitchen and the living room and just get everywhere nice and clean.
When you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey, don't you look at me like that. When you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your fault. Now toss the soul. Don't you look at me like that. Walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your fault. Now toss the soul.
So it actually wasn't too bad down here on this day. I don't know what's going on, but I think I'm actually keeping on top of things a little bit better lately. So I'm just going to go ahead and put Cinnabon's toys away and just do the general tidying up, getting it nice and ready for the day, getting rid of any rubbish, washing up and sorting out all the blankets and cushions just so it doesn't look as dishevelled, and just neating everything up. And then I can go in and give it a good polish just to make it nice and fresh before heading through into the kitchen.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day.
So I decided to do the hoovering a little bit later and just move straight into the kitchen. I just wanted to get this done and out the way. It was literally calling my name, and putting the washing up away from the night before and doing any washing up that's left is literally my morning routine. I have to do this every single day, and I just wanted to get it done today. So that's what I'm going to crack on with first, and then I can go round, give everything a good wipe over, make sure it's nice and clean. And then I do need to do Cinnabon's litter tray because I've just been putting it off and it really needs doing. It's got to that point where I can't ignore it anymore, so I need to get started with that, which is why I thought I may as well wait until I can hoover the kitchen as well. So I'm just going to whiz around, get everything nice and fresh before I can sort Cinnabon out and finish the front room.
How you turn everything around, I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground.
So I'm now going in with the Flash Kitchen Spray, and it smells so good, but I'm actually already looking forward to buying another one. And I know I've not long bought this one. I'm not going to go ahead and buy more until I've used it all up, but for some reason I get way too excited over cleaning products. I really do, and I'm just really looking forward already to see what else is out there and what I can get my hands on, because I do like to try new things all the time rather than sticking to the same ones. So I am looking forward to that, but I'm going to stick with this one until it's all done. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cut up all of Cinnabon's greens. This is what I do whenever I'm emptying his litter tray. I always make sure I do this first just to keep him distracted, because otherwise he's hopping around me and he wants to know what's going on. So I'm just going to crack on with this and then give that to him so I can crack on with the litter tray. But I have found that if I just cut it all up in one go, it's so much easier because I can just store it in these containers, and it just makes the fridge look so much more organised as well. So I definitely use these containers for pretty much everything nowadays. They're just so handy.
The grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit.
So once I had him all sorted and the kitchen all cleaned up, I can go back in and hoover, and I just love hoovering. I find it so satisfying. So I'm just going to go around doing the whole of the living room and also the kitchen, getting rid of any hay that I missed when I was sweeping up, and just make it nice and fresh. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have and it's given you all the motivation, then do go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I will see you back here in the next one.
We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were